guys, it is me, Kimmy, and Jazzy, and Keno. And Jazzy's driving.
Okay, so here's my baby's outfit today. This is Amy, and she has this little butterfly princess dress.
Yeah, I know.
And I just combed back her hair, just like that. But I also, for my outfit, my hair's messed up right now. See, I'm going to redo it in just 1 second. But my outfit of the day is this really cute top. It's like a spaghetti strap top, and it's like, I love it because it goes like that, and I love that shape and pattern. So we have these little like pom-pom things, and we have the colors is like this purple violet type of color, this velvet color, pink, light pink, blue, same color. So it's like a unicorn top. And then I have some shorts, and they're polka dot shorts, and I love them so much. So here it is.
You know, we gotta go visit the Samsung. That's my favorite brand, especially refrigerators. Is this the
Family.
Ooh,
It has
is that the chef's choice?
Huh?
The chef's choice?
No, this is better than
Okay, so let's see. This is better.
It's, yeah, because it's like a phone. So
Really?
it shows your home and stuff, and you can access like security cameras
Hold on,
and
Keno.
everything on there.
Oh, we don't
And
need
then
all
you
that.
can answer like calls and stuff.
Yeah.
Or, like Amazon.
Oh, so look, you can keep
Samsung.
notes, write notes
Yeah,
on
you
there.
can-
That's
yeah.
interesting.
Mhm.
What in the world? Did I do that?
No.
Did I do that? Oh, look at this. This is it's nice.
Look,
Small inside though. Hold on. This used to be my dream fridge over here. This is not it. This is not the Samsung Chef's Choice. I don't know if they still have it. Hold on, Keno. But it looks like the inside. To open it up, let's see.
That was it.
It's just small. No, this is not it. This is not it.
Wasn't it like blue?
Let me see this one, Jordan. Oh, this is beautiful. It's got crushed ice. Okay, open up the bottom. This the freezer area and refrigerator. Okay, so it's nice. Oh, that's a nice stove.
Something.
What?
Come hard. No, come here.
Come here. There's Jazz over there looking at stoves. Okay, what's this? Oh, this is another Samsung. And this one's only $2,799 compared to the other one that I really wanted. Well, let me see the inside. It's bigger, looks a little bit bigger than the other one. Watch out. We don't need all this freezer though.
Yes, I want that now.
That's nice.
You can store like your pizza,
Nice.
vegan food.
Yeah.
And look, here is
Crushed ice and all. Yeah. Hold on, Keno, come over here. I like the finish on this one. General Electric. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, I like the matte one too. Open it up. And open the other side.
ice.
Plenty of room.
The ice was right there. And then look,
Oh wow, that is really fancy inside.
the ice
compared to
was
the-
right there.
I like this. I like this little compartment area. How do you open it?
I don't know.
Oh, here we go.
That is beautiful. Look, Mom,
You can put a lot of products in here.
ice cream, go in there.
Okay, close it up. I want to see the finishes that you can put on it. And here are the different finishes.
I
got the
would
glossy
choose this.
matte,
Oh, that one's-
stainless
that one,
steel,
glossy matte,
and slate.
glossy. Which
Very
one would
nice.
you guys pick? Tell us in the comments.
This is a refrigerator vlog.
Whoa. Look how pretty this one is.
Mm-hmm. Very pretty.
What is this?
I don't know. I have no idea. Whoa, that's a huge
Whoa,
deep
it pulls
freezer.
out. It pulls out a lot.
Jeez. This one is a linear compressor. LG. Open it up. Wow, I like that.
It smells good in
Hold on.
Look, Mom.
Hmm?
this one, fridge, freezer.
Yes, fridge.
And this is just a side by side.
See, look, this is the fridge for me.
Guys, I want to tell mom something.
Oh, that's nice.
I open it.
No, but I'm saying, let me finish first. I'm saying that this is like good for me because, like, top, if I grow a little bit more, I'm gonna be able to access it easily. And like top shelves, it's not, you know, it's like perfect because
Yeah.
you know, I'm growing. If I
Yeah,
get much
it's the perfect
taller,
height.
It's the perfect height.
This is
Yeah.
my fridge right here. Can you hold her for a second? Here, I'll hold this.
Okay.
Okay, so look, this is my fridge.
Holding a baby here.
And look, I love this one. Look, what you gotta do is just this. Gotta do that, and then the ice comes down, and then I will put like all my little treats over here, like my popsicles and stuff right there.
Okay.
And then like all my frozen fruit go in here.
Frozen fruit go in that compartment
And,
over
like, If I
there.
had some vegan ice
Hey,
ice
where you
cream,
at?
Mama,
Okay, hold on.
like frozen meals and just,
Okay.
like, drinks and stuff.
And on this side,
On this side, I will store like my fruits and veggies right here, my fruits, and then my veggies, and then I'll just put like
yeah, over there. Come on, let me show you the other Dream refrigerator bag. Look at this one. Is this it? Yeah, this is the one. Yeah,
It's the smart.
I haven't seen the French choice. All right, we are at Kohl's
We're
finally.
gonna be trying on some clothes for me.
Hopefully not. Ooh, I
Hopefully
need-
not.
Yeah, hopefully we'll just be able to see something and be like, okay,
we're
that's
probably gonna
what
have
we're
to
gonna
try them on because
get.
usually we don't.
All right,
even
so
know.
it's just me and Keno right now because Jasmine and Jordan decided to go with their dad. They're hanging with their daddy, and then they have to stop by their friend's house to drop off a shirt, and then me and Keno's looking for her outfit for her photo shoot. I mean, for her
I have
commercial.
a photo shoot my commercial.
All right, hold on. Keno, walk up on this part. Hold on.
I'm putting my hand helping you hold it.
Okay.
We both look both ways at the same time.
We both did what?
Look both ways.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
I have to try it on.
It's a small. That looks really big.
Well, we gotta try it on, no? You have to try
Okay.
it on. Put that in the bucket for right now.
Mhm. Okay, let's see what else they got cute. No, none of this stuff. Keno, you're going too far down. Come over here.
Hey guys, it's me, Kennedy, and we are just about to go and get some things. We're gonna be getting some things for lunch tomorrow, and yeah, we just went to Kohl's and we got me a dress. I love it. It's so comfortable, and we'll probably show you guys that when we get home. But we're going to go to Aldi, and we'll see you guys once we are in.
Yes, you are good.
Scare me.
Alright, we're at Aldi's, like Keno said. We just gotta pick up some things for school lunch for
Oh
tomorrow.
guys, look, it's Amy and she's coming with us. Say